What is payment tokenization?
Payment tokenization is a security process used to keep your card information safe during digital transactions. Instead of sending your actual card number, the system replaces it with a unique, random string of characters called a token. This token has no value outside its specific transaction, protecting your sensitive details from cybercriminals.
How tokenization works during a purchase?
When you make a payment online or with a mobile wallet, your real card details are exchanged for a token before the information leaves your device. This token is then sent through the payment network, while your true card number stays securely stored with your payment provider. Only authorized parties can translate tokens back to real card data.
Why tokenization is effective?
Tokens make digital transactions safer because, even if intercepted, they're worthless to attackers. Unlike encrypted data, which can sometimes be decoded, tokens do not contain actual card information. Only the original payment processor can reverse the tokenization process, greatly reducing the risk of fraud or data theft.
Tokenization in everyday transactions.
When you use services like mobile wallets, contactless cards, or subscription payments, tokenization is often protecting your details in the background. Major payment networks and merchants rely on tokenization to enhance security and inspire consumer trust in digital payments, all while keeping the process invisible and seamless for users.
The ongoing importance of tokenization.
As more financial transactions move online, the need for robust security continues to grow. Payment tokenization is a foundational tool that both large businesses and everyday consumers rely on to keep card data protected, support secure innovation, and reduce the impact of potential data breaches in the digital age.